I'll just show you how our chickens live and how everything is set up here. They have this enclosure with a net on top to protect them from birds of prey. Because since we live near the forest, falcons are often flying around here. So our chickens are lemon brown breed. Guests are usually surprised that they are so tame. You can pet them or even pick them up. I can just walk up, touch them, and it doesn't really stress them out. This is our chicken coop. It has two sections. One part is a storage area for feed and garden tools. If you want, I can show it in the next video. We also have a covered sand area for chickens where they can dust bathe and hide from the rain. And behind it, just an open space for walking. We also have a small solar panel which we use in sunny day to power the lights in the coop at night. Chickens go out through this little door that can be closed with a latch. Also we added these curtains to keep sparrows out, but it didn't work because sometimes you go inside and there are like 10 sparrows flying around. We cover this net in cold weather with a plastic film. Here are lamps powered by solar panel. At night I also bring in some rechargeable flashlights so they can shine at least half night. It helps to extend daily hours for chicken, which boosts egg production. At the top there is two cages for quails. There is left only one quail, a real non-liver. We feed them with special mixed feed and the water is on the side. Under cages we have nesting boxes with egg collectors. On the other side there are perches where the chickens sleep, and below is just an extra sections where we can separate some birds if needed. In the corner there is feeder for mixed grain blend, and we also give them some crushed shells to make eggshells stronger. So if you have some questions, feel free to ask in the comments.